does it now that I've got a video going, and whether you'll even be able to hear it. But I've got a reoccurring noise. I'm doing 70 right now. But if you can hear that clicking, usually when that clicking occurs, then I get a woodpecker sound. It doesn't matter what speed. There we go. The repetitiveness of it increases with the speed. But it's got nothing to do with the engine or the air conditioning. It's something to do with the axles, but I just put new wheel bearings in it. So it's like a bearing going out of center and then hammering, or the axle going out of center or something, but everything checks out good. So that's my latest problem.